What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're going to see how to see backup photos on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. If you want to have your photos backed up in your Google Photos, you must know that you should keep your backup settings on with your camera gallery and with your Google Photos. So let me show you. If I head over to my photos or my Google Photos, if I let me show you, if I head over to my photos or Google Photos, you can see I didn't have gave the access to my Google Photos with my phone's gallery. So as it is not given access, that is not backed up. So if I had given the access, then every photo in my mobile or in my camera or gallery or any sort of album, that would be backed up in Google Photos. So yeah, that's it. You must ensure that your photos are linked with your gallery. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with us.